In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to unlock your Facebook profile. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to unlock your Facebook profile. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on Facebook account right here. After you open up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to navigate to three slider at the top here. Then you have to simply scroll down and navigate to settings and privacy. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and look for profile locking. Next thing you need to do is to simply tap on locked. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on unlock your profile. You unlock your profile so more people may see photos, posts, and story on your profile. What you need to do next is to simply click on OK. So profile has been successfully unlocked. So this is how to unlock your Facebook profile step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.